traveling to myself. The more places I go, the more I realize I will never fully understand this world through the eyes of logic. But when I close my eyes and find stillness in my heart, I can feel it. It's part of me. It's a part of you. What does your life reflect on? I hope your choices reflect your dreams and not your fears. For we are the size of tiny insects in the many galaxies of the cosmos. Do not waste your one life playing small. Feel the full range of who you are. Every moment you live, bring the light and fire of the brightest star, and always make sure to forgive. You are meant for more than just holding on to old scars. The most beautiful creations were born in darkness. Join the light of perspective and experience. Always keep creating regardless. And stay passionately curious. Wisdom is failure alchemized. Passed down to those brave enough to take new strides as dark and light intersect. I hope boldness and bravery are what your life reflects. Contradictions. As living beings, we are always evolving. Our DNA itself grows and changes. We create problems to feel good about solving and have forgotten the wisdom of the ages. This is not the age of wisdom. It is the age of information. All certainty of our belief systems have been cracked open and shaken. There is one truth, they say, but no one seems to know what it is. Religion, science, and spirituality are all the right way, though each other they dismiss. Perhaps I contradict my beliefs. They are always shifting, and to me it is a relief. For to believe one thing my entire life is to ensure that from the truth I'll be drifting. I do not trust those that stay the same. It means that they are submissive to society's complex game. It means to their heart they are dismissive and choose security over growth. Question everything, especially you. And to one idea, never cling. This way you will discern what's true. To believe strongly limits our perception of the world. There are infinite possibilities beyond what the human brain can perceive. You to hit the reset button. Go a day where you let go of any ideas about who you think you are, who anyone else is, and what you have learned about life thus far. Walk through a day with a blank slate. Allow the world to show you a new side of itself. Let your certainty be shaken up and cracked open. You cannot become all that you are meant to be by staying where you are.